You got the ball? Go get it. Get the ball. Good rolling. Go get it. Coco, what did you find? You found a puzzle? You found the puzzle? That's a turtle. Turtle. Yeah. You like the turtle? Put it back on the puzzle. Yep, that's where it goes. Good job. Close. You almost got it. Almost. Try again. No, you do it. Oh, no thank you, baby. I don't want to do it. You try. You're going to bring it to me. Okay, thank you. Thank you. You want it back? Go put it in the puzzle. Or you just pick up a different one. Is that a fish? Fish. Fish. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Where are you going? Where are you going? You're gonna stand up. Okay. Yeah, standing up, big boy. Okay, say bye-bye. You gotta say bye-bye before we can turn it off. Bye-bye. Oh, okay, bye-bye.